Namaste. You are about to enter a state of deep reset, where tension dissolves, stress fades, and your mind sharpens like a blade tempered in stillness. In just 15 minutes, we will activate your body's healing mode, unlocking clarity, focus, and balance. If you are feeling tired, stressed, or overwhelmed, this is your mental power nap. Find a comfortable position. Lie down. Close your eyes. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you fully. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be, just this moment. And now, let's begin. Take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale, releasing all tension. Again, a slow inhale, filling the lungs, and exhale, sinking deeper into stillness. Feel your arms, your legs, your spine, all growing heavy yet light, like a cloud floating yet fully grounded. There is nothing to hold on to. You are safe. You are supported. You are here. Now bring your awareness to your right hand. Feel each finger, the palm, the wrist, moving up to the forearm, the upper arm, the shoulder. Now let it soften, release, dissolve. Shift to the left hand, feeling the fingers, the palm, the wrist, forearm, upper arm, shoulder. Let it go. Now move to the right foot. Feel the toes, the sole, the ankle, the calf, the knee, the thigh, and the entire leg melting into relaxation. Now, the left foot, the toes, the sole, the ankle, calf, knee, thigh, and the entire leg, softening completely. Now, scan through your spine from the base, moving up through the lower back, mid-back, upper back, shoulders, neck, and the entire face. Your body is still. Your mind is awake. You are resting in pure awareness. Now, simply observe your breath, moving in and out, like gentle waves on the shore. With each inhale, golden energy fills your body, reaching every cell, revitalizing, restoring, recharging. With each exhale, release any tension, any heaviness, letting it dissolve into space. Breathe in, power, clarity, balance. Breathe out, tension, fatigue, distraction. Breathe in, power, clarity, balance. Breathe out, tension, fatigue, distraction. Breathe in, power, clarity, balance. Breathe out, tension, fatigue, distraction. The breath is your anchor. The body is at peace. The mind is clear. Now, in this stillness, plant a seed of intention. A simple, powerful phrase that aligns with your highest energy. I am strong, clear, and focused. Energy flows through me effortlessly. I am at peace with myself and the world. Repeat this intention in your mind 3 times, letting it take root, shaping your thoughts, actions, and reality. Now, gently begin to bring awareness back to the room, to your breath, to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, feeling life returning. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully, bringing a sense of clarity, presence, and calm. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. The reset is complete. You are refreshed, awake, and fully present. If this session helped you, subscribe for more guided journeys into deep relaxation, mental clarity, and energy restoration. Share this practice with someone who needs it. And together, let's build a world of balance and strength. Until next time, stay powerful, stay present.